Child, this hair is so goddamn nappy. Oh yeah, where the hell you think you going? Oh, that's good. Y'all trying to play me. Play me. Y'all trying to play me. You see? Wow. Hey, Pooh. Now you want some of my donut? I'm not giving you none. All you do is disrespect me. Come on. Come on. Fuck you then. There's too much shit on this table now. I don't like that now. What you want to do is, I don't have nothing to give you. I went and got a crown put on top of my tooth that I got a root canal for. So it came off same day they put it on. So I went back, got another crown. Went back, got them, saved that crown that they had. It came out of my mouth. I saved that, put it in a plastic bag. They reused that crown and put it back in my mouth. All right, cool. Couple days later, maybe a week later, came out of my mouth again, broke. So I'm like, okay, y'all fucking aggravating me, or y'all aggravating me because this shit was not cheap. It cost $500 just to get a crown, and this stuff is not cheap. Like, it's expensive. And you don't really have the room to be messing up or messing with somebody's mouth like that. Because, first of all, it's already annoying to go to the dentist, especially if you're not going under. So, I'm not going under and y'all playing in my mouth and it hurts. And then I have to continuously keep coming back to y'all because you're not doing it right the first time. So, and they're really nice people, so I had to talk about them, but they're annoying. They're annoying. So time consuming, and my mouth was tired. I was physically tired. Like, it was just horrible. This, I don't know what this is, but this is a Remington, child, it's crap all up on here, but this is Remington, and it goes up to 410 degrees, and it's a wand, but it's like a flat wand, but it's flat but wide, if that makes any sense. So it's flat but it's wide. So, and this gives me those nice big swirly curls. Anyway, so my I'm not gonna put any oil in my hair because my hair is already way down because I just curled my hair maybe about a week ago, and I put a lot of oil in it at that time. So I'm not gonna do that again. Not a week ago, probably like 4 days ago, something like that. So I'm not gonna do that again. But anyway, so yeah, they put the crown, but while they was doing that, they kept asking me, oh, do you feel it when you bite down? Do you feel it when you bite down? And I'm like, yes, yes, yes. 16,000 times. Do you feel it when you bite down? Do you feel it when you bite down? Yes, yes, yes. So finally, I'm just like, no, I don't feel it, but I felt it, because whatever you're doing, you're not changing it. You're not changing it. Like, I don't know what they was doing, but they kept doing something, but it was not changing it. So I got annoyed, because I'm like, listen, you keep asking me, but when I tell you yes, nothing changes from the next time you ask me. So just stop fucking asking me. I'm ready for you to get out my mouth. To make a long story short, the shit didn't even fit to do that. So then she's like, oh, it don't fit because you waited 2 weeks. You waited 2 weeks. I'm like, first of all, I didn't wait 2 weeks. I waited a week. And your employee told me that shit wasn't ready. Didn't even know what he was talking about. He said he would call me back and make an appointment, and he didn't. So, and I travel for work. So, I can't just make an appointment or get off or come before work or come after work. It don't work like that with my job because I'm gone. Anyway, so I'm like, first of all, it wasn't the fact that I probably waited 2 weeks or that it's been 2 weeks. Not that I waited 2 weeks, but it's been 2 weeks. It's probably because y'all didn't do it right from the get-go. Because y'all kept asking me to the shit fit. And I kept telling y'all no. So I'm sure that, I mean, do I bite down on shit? And I kept telling y'all yes. So I'm sure it wasn't made properly to begin with. But whatever floats your boat. So they did another impression for the new one. And child, they was asking me the same fucking questions. Do you feel it when you bite down? Do you feel it when you bite down? And I kept saying yes, yes, yes. Finally, I just was like, I can feel it, but I'll deal with it. Like, if it's gonna go down, or if it's gonna adjust, or if I'm gonna get used to it, then fine. Cause I'm like, it's no fucking way that I can keep telling you that I'm feeling something and you go and do something and it's not making no improvement whatsoever. So after I get this done, I doubt that I would be going back to them because they work like amateurs, and I hate to say that, but they do, at least in my mouth. And this is Gateway Dental. This is Gateway Dental. Y'all see, I'm just taking this little curl. Look how hot. It gets really hot. So if your hair needs really hot stuff to curl, this is really good. I think really all you need for it to go to is 400, and it'll really curl real good. But this go to 410. And I usually don't have to leave it in there that long. Just for a couple seconds, and then it'll be done. Because I think I'm going slow because I'm talking to y'all. Because I probably would have had this whole side of my head curled by now. Why he keep calling me? Hello?
What's your business?
Okay, so I usually curl my hair, like, I'll try to curl my hair the night before so that it can be the curls I want it to be the next day. I'll try to curl it the night before. If I don't, then I curl it the same day, brush it out, whatever. But I usually try to curl it the night before. So what I do is I go ahead and I curl all my hair, and then I just put it in a protective style overnight so that I can keep it with the curl style, or keep it styled without having to redo it in the morning. And that usually just works for me, because usually I don't have time to do this and put on makeup if I have somewhere to go, or I don't have time to do this because this takes longer than me doing my makeup. So yeah, I usually just do this the night before. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna finish curling my hair, and then I'll go where I gotta go tomorrow. That when you really enjoy doing something, it doesn't feel like work. Like when you enjoy doing something, it makes you feel like I'm working and I'm not relaxing. By relaxing, I mean I'm not doing actual work. Like, not work, but I'm not doing actually anything. I'm just maybe like watching TV. But when you doing something that you love to do, this is like, it is like relaxing. It is like chill time. That's why they have that thing if you do something you love, it'll never feel like you work, because you're actually doing something that you love. And that's why my goal is to get this thing up and running. Like, and I appreciate y'all, the ones that are here, because my goal is to get this thing up and running, because it is something I truly love to do. Like, I truly love to sit here and talk to y'all and do my hair and do my makeup, or vlog, or especially DIYs. DIYs are my favorite. Like, to come up with things. And then, you know, so if you ever... You know what's so funny? That just came to my head. Like, this is so funny, but it just came to my head. If you ever struggle with what will you do? Like, I literally have nothing, no talent. If you feel like that, if you struggle with what will you do in life, usually it's something that you already doing and you just haven't thought about doing it and making money from it. Or you get this taboo idea of making money off of your hobby, or making money off of something that brings you happiness. Because usually a negative thought is attached to money. So it's like, you don't want to take something that may be pure to you and innocent to you and then attract or attach a negative thing to it. But money is not negative. Money is positive, and we all need money in order to grow. So if you have like a hobby or something that you enjoy doing, and you don't know what you're supposed to be doing in life, but if your hobby is appreciated by others, or your hobby could possibly earn you some money, you should look into it. You should look into maybe making that a career, because that may be the thing that bring you much fulfillment in life. That may be. And I'm saying all that because I feel like at first I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just knew that I wanted to be financially stable, and I wanted to be able to move freely without having to, you know, worry about things as far as finances go. So I just knew that I wanted more out of life than just like a 9-to-5. Not that there's nothing wrong with a 9-to-5. I'm just talking about for me. I wanted more than working and clocking in every day at the same time and clocking out at the same time. I wanted more than that. So when I found this, I didn't really find it. It was always there. I've always been doing DIYs like before I can even remember. I'm gonna be honest, like my earliest DIY was probably, and I know I was DIYing stuff way before this, but my earliest DIY was probably when I was like my 8th grade prom. I had bought my 8th grade prom dress was black with pink flowers, and I had these regular black shoes, and I was just like, these kind of plain. But they was cheap, so I was frugal too. But so they was cheap, so I told my mama, go ahead and get them because they cheap. And I ended up going to the Dollar Tree, buying like pink little flowers and gluing the pink little flowers on the side of the shoe. So my shoe had pink flowers on the side to match my dress. So that was like my earliest DIY that I can remember. Maybe I think it was earlier than that, but that's what I can remember. So literally this kind of stuff has been in my life for as long as I can remember. And I never thought to make it like, or try to make it a career. So showing y'all my DIYs and my outfit ideas and my hair, my makeup, or vlogging just my life. Like all of that stuff just came around basically me showing my niche to the world. And my niche was, you know, making things personal, being able to do stuff that you may not be able to afford outright, but you can make it. And then, you know, it might not be exactly like the thing, but if it makes you happy, then it's good enough because you made it. And when you invest time and energy into anything, it's going to be worth it in the end. So that's how I feel about my DIYs. Like some people may like some of my stuff, and some people, it brings joy to me and it makes me happy. And that's all I have to say about, you know, where you might be in life right now and you feel like you don't know what you want to do. Just look at some of the things that brings you happiness throughout your day, or look at some things that you know how to do that maybe others don't know how to do, because that may be it. That may be your calling, and that may be your niche, and that may be what God gave you in order to make money from. So, and that's just my little take on that. Okay, let me get this set together because I gotta save this for the morning. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Oh, I was supposed to show y'all how I do this. So with these curls, I just twist, make a little ball. And then usually I'll pin it, but I don't have no pin right now. But this is what I do to save my curls. I just do it and then I twist it. And sometimes after I curl it, I'll do it. This is what I do. And then I go to bed. I put a scarf over my head and then I go to bed. Or I will do it like this. But this will be a braid. I will braid this. Sometimes I will do that as well. The braid, I usually try to do when the curls get real old. So if the curls get real old, then I braid it, because the braid, you know, everybody knows the braid bring that little texture. So this is usually just what I do when I curl my hair the night before, and I know I'm saving it for the next day. So yeah, there we go. Good morning, y'all. So I look a mess and I'm back like I never left. And you guys saw me do my little how I do my hair the night before, so that it doesn't take me that long to get ready the day of. So you guys saw that. So now I'm just moisturizing my face, and then we'll get right into it. I don't even remember what was said. What was said? I don't even remember what was said yesterday. But we'll just find some new topics to talk about, I guess. Don't you hate when you going out, right? Don't you hate when you going out with all your friends and your friends like, oh, your friends like, oh, I'm gonna invite such and such, and you like, bitch, now you know I don't like such and such. Then you be like, but I'm gonna invite such and such, and they be like, nah, bitch, you know I don't like such and such. It's just funny, because it's just so funny how one group of people can all get along, and then once you start to add people into the mix, it's like somebody don't like somebody. So it's so funny, because it's like, damn, well, I like her and you like me. Or I like her and I like you. So how the hell you don't like her? I just find it funny, because that's basically what I'm going through right now. But it's so funny because I'm like, damn, we all don't like somebody. And it's like funny. It's funny. I don't got no service. But whatever. So, I don't know. And another thing, y'all ever not have service in y'all house? So like, I don't have no service in my house, and I don't know why, but I don't. Anyways, let me hurry up and do this, because that's the whole point of me doing my hair last night, so this wouldn't take all damn day. I don't know what this bump is on my lip, but it literally came out of nowhere.